Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Nike promo code and save a huge amount of money on your next Nike order. Yes, completely free. If you're looking for a working Nike discount code, you're in the right place. This method is quick, easy, and works on both iPhone and Android devices. So, how do you get it? First, grab your phone and open any browser. Safari, Chrome, it doesn't matter. Next, go to the search bar and type in Nike promo code to find the latest available deals. Once you're on the page, click the result and scroll down until you see a list of active Nike promo codes. After that, click on the Show Coupon button to reveal your exclusive code. Keep in mind, these Nike codes are limited and can expire quickly, so make sure to claim yours as soon as possible to lock in the discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.